Hello everyone, welcome to Tuts Blogs. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide a way to recover permanently deleted files in Windows along with concept behind recovering them. Concept behind recovering permanently deleted files in Windows. If we delete files just by selecting and deleting manually by pressing delete option, then you will find the deleted file in recycle bin. As you can see the recently deleted folder in the bin. You can simply restore it. But if you delete folder using Shift plus delete key, then system will ask you to confirm. If you confirmed, then it's deleted. But you cannot see the folder in the bin. As here, when I deleted the folder temporarily, it just moved to recycle bin. But what about permanently deleted folder? In case of permanently deleted folder, the data remains in the disk as temporarily deleted folder but in unspecified location, so we cannot access it easily, because in Windows the operating system marks the area of disk in which permanently deleted files are stored as free space. Also, permanently deleted files remains in the disk until the deleted files are encoded or overwritten by another file. So when we delete files permanently, it also remains in the disk in the form of free space. Further on, we can recover permanently deleted files by using software developed by Piriform called Recuva. Download Recuva. For this, head towards your web browser, then search for Recuva. You'll get link to download, just open it. Then you'll find two versions, free version and pro. Just click on free version, then on free download, then download it. After that you'll get executable file of Recuva. Install Recuva. It's small sized software, so it won't take long. Just open the executable file, then click install. Run Recuva. Just open it. Then you will see Recuva widget box. Just click next. Here you have to select the sort of files you are trying to recover. I'm going with all files. Click next. Further you have to select file location. If you are not sure, select I'm not sure. Next. Make sure to enable deep scan. Then start. Here you can see scan box. As Recuva is gathering information about all the deleted files in the drivers, just wait for a couple of minutes or hours depending upon number of files. After scan you can see warning for the failed drivers to scan. Just ignore and move on. Just hit OK. Here you can see deleted files separated by colored circle. Here the green circle file represent no overwritten and orange represent overwritten and poor. Similarly, red represents overwritten with unrecoverable. Over here you can select the recoverable file and recover it. Here you can see all the types of files which can be recovered or which cannot be recovered depending upon the files which are overwritten or not overwritten. So you can manually just search for the file that you want to recover and just recover it. I'm going to recover these PNG files so you can have better vision for recovering. Just select them and just hit recover. Here you have to select location for recovery. Make sure to select location different than that of file origin. Select drive properly and hit OK. After that you will get operation completed message. Then hit OK. Now go to the drive where you have saved the recovered file. So I'm going for D drive. As you can see, the files are fully accessible. Some files may not recover although it seems not overwritten because it may be file deleted from recycle bin or corrupt file. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you gathered information about permanently deleted files along with way to recover them. Thanks for watching.